As parents came in numbers to support their young ones, the coach made sure they win the game with the higher score. Though some were injured, but with the support they get from their parents, they made sure they play harder than before.
My name is Lindala Lushaba. I play striker for Toti United. I scored 1 goal and the match was very good.
Great performance, eh? From the back, Ethan, you came on, did a great job second half, eh? Travis, thanks for going goalkeeper, eh? Well done, boy. The engine room was at full tilt today, and that's what I want from you for the rest of the season. Okay? Because I promise you guys, if we play like that, not many sides are going to be able to beat us. But we've got to bring it week in, week out. Okay? So, well done today. But Tuesday, back at training, and we're training hard, and we're working on a few things that I saw today, and then we'll be top notch. All right?
Even though the United missed so many chances, but they seemed so happy about their results.
A round of applause, eh? Well done, guys. Defenders did a great job.
The coach and his young stars are looking forward to the upcoming season, and they hope that they will manage to win the title this year. Spamandla Blose, Journalism Iziko News, Manzi Mtoti.